Hi everyone, Casey from Home Quarters, and today's episode of BlkBuster, we will dive in part 2 of our The Woodleigh Residence review. Check out part 1 if you have to find out more about the project background of this integrated development. Now let's take a look at the most important criteria to consider before you make a decision on purchasing a unit at the Woodleigh Residences. Alright, first up we have criteria 1, growth area. There are exciting upcoming plans within the Bidadari area that you can take advantage of as the Woodleigh Residence buyer. Spanning across 93 hectares of land space, which is about the size of 150 soccer field, the Bidadari estate will be connected to major roads such as Upper Serangoon Road, Bali Road, the Senate Estate, and also Mount Vernon Road. The main vision of Bidadari New Town is to have a community within large greenery, which the Woodleigh residents have fully taken advantage of. We see this area as a growth area with many new HDB estate that is upcoming and touted as the new Bishan estate, which is yielding very good return for both the public and private housing home owners. Buying into the region now, you might be able to enjoy the same returns as if you have bought into Bishan estate when it first opened. Criteria 2, the unique selling point of the Woodleigh Residence. There are 5 unique selling points at the Woodleigh Residences. Firstly, we have the fact that it is one of the only few integrated development here in Singapore. Integrated development are fast becoming a hot commodity. At this time of writing, there are only 14 completed integrated development with 3 more under construction, including the Woodleigh Residence. Most of them are in bustling town or neighborhood center with minimum greenery facing unit, which is not the case for the Woodleigh Residence, with more than 50% of the unit getting views of either the Alcove Lake or Bidadari Park. Second, the abundance of condominium facility. Check out part 1, which will be linked here or in the description for all the facility, and most interestingly, the indoor onsen. Alright, number 3, excellent connectivity and easy access to public transportation. Car owners will have nearby access to some of the major expressways in Singapore, such as the Pan Island Expressway PIE, the CTE, and the Kallang Paya Lebar Expressway KPE. Woodleigh MRT is integrated and also the underground bus interchange as well. Alright, 4th, the close proximity to top school nearby. For parents with school-going children, there are a number of credible primary school and secondary school, junior college, and international school within the radius of the Woodleigh Residences. For more information, do refer again to part 1 of that, which will be linked below and on top. Finally, the developer credential. The consortium that developed the Woodleigh Residences comprises Singapore Press Holding and Kajima Group, a Japanese corporation that deals in real estate development, design, and construction services. You can be rest assured of their excellent track record. Alright, we have criteria 3, the new launch comparison. There are a number of new launch projects within the vicinity of the Woodleigh Residences. These include Park Colonial and The Trevor, which are all 99 years leasehold projects, same as the Woodleigh Residences. Both Park Colonial and The Trevor were launched in 2018, followed by the Woodleigh Residences in 2019. For the 2-bedroom, the Woodleigh Residences start from 2-bed, 1-bath, configuration of 570 square feet, making it really affordable for buyers looking for 2-bedroom apartment, as it is probably the most popular unit type of new launch across Singapore. However, at the time of filming, it is completely sold out. It is bigger in size compared to another nearby development, Park Colonial, which is directly opposite the project. While it loses out on the size for the Trevor in this regard, it is really appealing for first-time buyers looking to dip their toes into private property market in an excellent and upcoming location. Alright, for the 3-bedroom, the Woodleigh Residence offer a variety of sizes and layout for their 3-bedroom unit, but it is still significantly smaller than other new launch projects in the area. The smallest configuration is only 850 square feet and might be a little bit cramped, but it is a compromise that the developer made to keep the price fair. A 1119 square feet 3-bedroom starts at 2.33 million at the time of filming. The 3-bedroom layout also features several kitchen configurations, ranging from conventional enclosed one to a veranda style version right beside the balcony. Let's talk about the 4-bedroom. The Woodleigh Residence is one of the only few developments that offer a 4-bedroom with private lift, which is away from the city centre. Again, the size of the starting unit for 4-bedroom here is relatively small compared to other nearby development, which seems to be an emerging pattern here. A 1281 private lift 4-bedroom starts at $2.935 million at the time of filming. Perhaps it's the Japanese-inspired minimalist living at play here, but are buyers willing to sacrifice a little on the spatial comfort just for convenience sake? This is relatively still untested in the market, and time will tell if this will pay off. Criteria 4. Resale project comparison. To conduct a better analysis of Woodleigh Residences, we also look at the resale market and compare similar projects in the surrounding area that were completed within the last 10 years. They include 8 at Woodleigh, which were completed in 2012, Senett Residence in 2017, and Poise Residence in 2019. Looking at the 2-bedroom, the Woodleigh Residence 2-bedroom units are significantly smaller when compared to the other 3 resale projects. However, the starting price is less so as well, with Poise Residences the only exception, while Senett Residence is also a stone throw away from the nearest MRT station, which is Potong Pasir. It doesn't compare to the abundance of amenities that Woodleigh Residence have, while 8 at Woodleigh is situated further away from the other 2 when it comes to access to public transportation. Poise Residence is right beside Potong Pasir MRT station and even have the option of a studio apartment if you are looking for something smaller and cozier. Alright, for 3-bedroom, once again, the Woodleigh Residences 3-bedder units are much smaller than the resale condo, except for Poise Residence. However, its price is nested in between Senett Residence presenting the most expensive auction at just over 2 million. At Woodleigh 3-bedroom apartment is probably the best value for money in between purchase, as you get to enjoy a spacious 958 square feet while still offering the most affordable option at only about $1.6 million. Looking at the 4-bedroom, there are no 4-bedroom unit available at 8 at Woodleigh, so the comparison will only be with Senett Residence and Poise Residence. For the first time, Woodleigh Residence edged Senett Residence when it comes to the size, but the price that comes with it is decidedly more as well. A 4-bedroom at Senett Residence start from $2.5 million for a 1346 square feet unit. Poise Residence offer the largest space and most expensive option starting from $2.9 million for a 1505 square feet unit. When comparing a new launch project, it seems like developers are making a conscious effort to increase the size of their unit more than before in the larger space. And you get private lift access for the Woodleigh Residence 4-bedroom unit. So if privacy is really important to you, then the Woodleigh Residence should be within your shortlist. Alright, lastly, we'll talk about exit strategy. Seeing as Woodleigh Residence is the first integrated development in a brand new estate, it will be an exciting development to watch in the upcoming years. The project is well located near to the city centre and offer utmost convenience in terms of transportation and amenities. Buyer can capitalize on the first mover advantage. For the pure investor buyer, there is definitely upside potential, and whether it's suitable choice for you depends on your stage of life, risk appetite, and targeted returns. For the own-stay purchaser looking for big unit, now would definitely be a good time to enter, as it is nested in the Bidadari HDB estate that is expected to have multi-million dollars resale HDB in the next 5 to 10 years. This profitable HDB seller will serve as the Woodleigh Residence resale buyer base when time comes. The reason being, they might want to upgrade to a condominium but have a strong social network in the new estate, and their children's school are all within the region, making it hard to move far away. Alright, so in conclusion, when we compare it to other city fringe development which are near to MRT station, it makes Woodleigh Residence worthwhile. If you are into mega integrated development that offers sublime connectivity and convenience right at your doorstep, Japanese-inspired quality, living and greenery galore, you should consider taking a plunge at the Woodleigh Residence. We've come to the end of another BlkBuster episode. Do you find the Woodleigh Residence an attractive place to stay in? Do comment down below and give our YouTube channel a like and subscribe to us if you haven't. Also, be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Most importantly, go to our website in the editorial page to know more about the happenings in real estate in Singapore, and also an article regarding the Woodleigh Residences. So if you are keen to work together with Home Quarters to properly expose your unit for sale, or to find you that dream home or smart investment, do contact us at 8809-2889 or visit our website homequarters.com.sg. And last but not least, remember, call Home Quarters and start packing.